So in this lecture we are going to continue this model. If you go to the drawing, you can see there are some fillet inside this. But first of all we need to trim the extra part of the surfaces. To trim the extra part we need to go to merge tool. Here select the first surface, hold down the control key and select the second surface. So if I directly click OK, you can see the extra part is going to trim. But we don't need this type of trim, so I will go to merge once again, go to edit definition. Here reverse the direction and also on the side to reverse the direction. So where the checks are showing, it will be kept. Click OK. Now you can see inside part is trimmed. Click on merge once again. So select this surface and then select this surface. Now we need to reverse the direction and again reverse the direction. Click OK. Finally we need to do this on this surface also. Go to merge, select this surface and then this surface. Make sure you hold down the control key, reverse the direction and reverse the direction. Click OK. Now the extra part are trimmed. And after that we need to fill this side surfaces. If you take a look at from the side, you can see these are filled. To create a fill surface, we need to create some sketches here. Turn on all the planes. We need to create 3 datum planes onto all these edges. Plane. Take the reference of this plane. Here, hold down the control key, select this edge. Click OK. Similarly, take the reference of this plane, hold down the control key and select this edge. Once again, select this and then select this edge. You can see it is parallel with respect to top plane and also passing through this edge. Click OK. Similar thing we need to do on this face also. So I will go to plane once again. I will need the reference of this plane, that is front plane, and then select the center of circle. Okay, right now we don't have any datum point reference, so I can also offset it. Pick up this offset on our other direction. We know this gap is 150. Click OK. Now go to sketch, select the side plane. Click sketch. Here I will go to project, select this circle. Now draw a line up to its end point. Click OK. So here go to the sketch, make sure it is shown. So go to this sketch and click on fill. You can see it is automatically going to fill this. Similarly, I will go to the second sketch. You can also reflect this. So I'm going to go to second sketch, select this face, sketch, and then once again project this and then create the line. Okay, line here. Click OK. Select this sketch, go to fill. Similar thing we need to do here. Go to this sketch, select this plane. So here we only need the reference, so I will go to project, select this all the lines, click OK and then OK. So now select this sketch and click on fill. And similar thing we have to do also on these arc also. Here we need to create the sketch, so go to sketch, select this face. Okay, here we need to create a datum plane. Before this, I will create sketch here. We need this plane, that is, so we need this right plane. Click on this right plane, sketch. Take the projection of the circle, draw a line. Click OK and then fill it. Select the sketch, click on fill. Similarly, first create a datum plane here. Take the reference of this right plane, hold down the shift key and select this edge. Click OK. Here go to sketch, select this last plane, sketch. So I will go to project, select this edge, close, and now fill this. Then click OK. Now click on fill. So here we have filled all the surfaces. So now I can turn off all the plane display. Now we need to apply the fillet here. Here you can see this is R5. So I will go to round. This value is 5. Select this edge. Okay, you can see you cannot directly select the edge here. First of all, we need to create solid here. So I will go to cancel. So you can see the thickness of this part is 2 mm. So I will go to thicken. Okay, before this we need to merge this. Right now this is not a single body. Close. Click on merge. Here select all the surfaces. So hold down the shift key and drag the mouse, or you can select multiple surfaces like this. Hold down the control key and select all the surfaces highlighting. Like this. Now you can see all the surfaces are selected. Now select it once again. Click OK. Now if I go to thicken, you can see this is a single body. This thickness value is 2. Apply it on the inward direction. So here I will go to reverse the direction. You can see the sketch is outside line, thickness is inside. Click OK. Now I can apply the round. Go to round. This value is 5. Select this edge and then select this edge. Click OK. For this edge, this is, you can see from here, this is R12 here. So insert all the rounds. So this is 12. Okay, this value is 12. Similarly, this is also R12. Also here we need to apply, this is round and this is 12. Click OK. So in this way you can insert all the fillets and you can continue making the part.